In this video, we'll explore how to update documents in a MongoDB collection using CRUD operations. We'll specifically focus on the updateOne and updateMany methods. Let's dive in. The updateOne method is used to update the first document that matches the specified filter criteria within a collection. It's designed for scenarios where you only need to modify a single document. The syntax is as follows: collection.updateOne, then parenthesis, inside which filter and update parameters are given. The filter parameter specifies the condition to locate the document. The update parameter defines the modifications to be applied, using operators like $set to change the document. Before the update, let's say we have a document in our users collection with the following information. The ID is 1, name is John Doe, age is 25, and email is john@old.com. To update this document, we use the updateOne method with the following syntax. Users.updateOne parenthesis curly braces, name, John Doe closing curly brace, comma, curly braces, $set, curly braces, email, john@new.com, comma, age, 26 closing curly braces, closing curly brace, closing parenthesis. This operation will update the email to john@new.com and age to 26 for the first user named John Doe. The updateMany method is used to update all documents that match the specified filter criteria within a collection. This is useful when you need to apply changes to multiple documents simultaneously. The syntax is as follows: collection.updateMany, then parenthesis, inside which filter and update parameters are given. The filter parameter specifies the condition to locate the documents. The update parameter defines the modifications to be applied, using operators like $set to change the documents. Before the update, imagine we have multiple documents in our users collection. One document has name Alice and status active, another has name Bob and status active, and a third has name Charlie and status inactive. To update all active users, we use the updateMany method with the following syntax. Users.updateMany parenthesis curly braces status, active closing curly brace, comma, curly braces, $set, curly braces last login, new date, parenthesis, closing parenthesis, comma, verified, true, closing curly braces, closing curly brace, closing parenthesis. This operation will add last login timestamp and set verified to true for all users with an active status. MongoDB provides several update operators to perform specific modifications to document fields. Here are a few commonly used operators. The first one is $set, which sets the value of a field to a new value. The second one is $inc, which increments the value of a field by a specified amount. The third one is $unset, which removes a field from the document. For example, to set name field, the syntax is curly braces $set, curly braces name John closing curly braces closing curly brace. To increment the age field, the syntax is curly braces $increment, curly braces age, 1 closing curly braces closing curly brace. To remove the temporary field, the syntax is curly braces $unset, curly braces temporary, empty string closing curly braces closing curly brace. MongoDB provides options to enhance update operations. The first is upsert, which creates a new document if no documents match the filter criteria. The second is arrayFilters, which is used to filter array elements to update. To use options during an update, you can pass an additional options object to the updateOne or updateMany methods. For example, to update the user with the email new@user.com and set their name to new user, but create a new document if the user doesn't exist, use the following syntax. Users.updateOne parenthesis curly braces email, new@user.com, closing curly brace, comma, curly braces, $set, curly braces, name, new user, closing curly braces closing curly brace, comma, curly braces upsert, true closing curly brace, closing parenthesis. Here are the key takeaways from this video. UpdateOne updates the first matching document with specified criteria. updateMany updates all documents matching the filter conditions. Both methods use update operators like $set, $inc, and $unset to modify document fields efficiently. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.